Good morning, one and all. In today's video's lecture, we are going to see about the introduction about virtual reality. What is actually virtual reality? What are all the types of virtual reality, and what is the benefit for this current trend? How virtual reality, what are all the case studies we have, and how it connects with the real world problems. Let us see first what is the introduction of virtual reality. So, as the name itself, we can say like virtual means we have two things, two world. One is virtual world and one is real world. Virtual world, or with the help of the virtual reality, we are just going to feel like as in the real world, but actually we are not. No, we won't be in that place, but we will feel like we are in that particular place. So, as the definition goes like this, it is actually a technology which allows user to experience in a simulated environment with the help of this headset and additional controllers, hand controllers will be there. So, what is the key point in virtual reality is immersion. Immersion is nothing but the feel which we get as in real world, completely, which will be surrounded with the simulated environment, and with the help of this high quality graphics and the realistic sound effects, we can feel like we may be in real world. The next is we are going to see about the brief history of VR. When it actually came into prominent is in the year of 1990. It starts accessing by the general public. So, as per the year 2000, the gaming company has started using this virtual reality with the help of their products. They have started using in the sector of healthcare, education, and military training. So, next comes the types of VR. We have three categories of virtual reality. One is immersive category, non-immersive, and augmented reality. What is actually immersive is? Immersive, I already told that we can feel like we are present in the virtual world, but we can feel like we are doing the particular job in the real world. So, non-immersive, on the other hand, with the use of screens and projectors, we are going to create a virtual environment. And augmented reality, as the definition says, like we will be present in the real world, but with the additional digital element, we are going to create a mixed variant of virtual reality as well as augmented. So, we can see the example one by one. If I take immersive VR, where we are using it is mainly we are using it in gaming and entertainment, whereas in non-immersive is we are using some simulators, training simulators, and we are using it in education also. And augmented reality, we have wide range of applications, like if we go for a shopping, there we can use this augmented reality. What is the future of VR here? So already most probably the current trend or the current technology are using this VR, but the thing is the components for virtual reality is actually very expensive. Even it came into prominent, but the users of virtual reality are less in numbers. So that is the challenge in virtual reality. What are all the three fundamental concepts in virtual reality? We have immersion, interactive, and imagination. Immersion, I already told, like it refers to the feeling that we are present in the real world. but we are actually in the virtual world only. Whereas interaction is how we can able to interact with the environment. We feel like we are picking up the object in real time itself, but we are present in the virtual world. And the next is imagination. Imagination is the power of virtual technology which transports users to the new world and they can experience on their own. And the next is we are going to see about the components of immersive experiences. What are all the components? As I said, this picture is meant for head mounted display. With the help of this picture only we can go to the virtual world, and we have two types here. That is head mounted display, which comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they are all common. The features will be same. And the next is called as the controller. We have two controllers here. One is Oculus Touch and the next one is HTC Vive controller. It depends on the VR developer to which job which controller has to be used here. So this is the example of Oculus Touch and HTC Vive controller. In the next lecture, we will see something about what are all the next lecture we will see about virtual reality technology, means what are all the technology it is possible in VR, and we will see about the case studies of VR also. Thank you.